Picture this, you walk into your favorite store and everything's 30% off. Amazing, right? But instead of grabbing a cart, everyone's sprinting for the exit. Weird, huh? That's literally what happens when the stock market crashes. People run away from the biggest sale of their life. Here's the truth nobody tells you: a crash doesn't mean every company's suddenly worthless. Prices fall way faster than businesses actually change. Think about it, your favorite brands are still selling stuff. Still paying employees. Still making money. The stock price tanks, sure. But the business itself? Still running. That's a huge difference. Point 2, crashes are basically the biggest sale you'll ever see. Remember that stock you wanted last month but thought was too expensive? A crash hands you the exact same shares at a lower price. Same company. Same value. Just cheaper. Sounds good, right? Point 3, stop trying to guess the bottom. Seriously. This is where beginners lose money. They wait for the perfect moment. But guess what? Nobody, and I mean nobody, consistently knows when the markets hit rock bottom. Smart investors don't guess. They invest small amounts regularly, so they end up buying at all kinds of prices instead of gambling on perfect timing. Point 4, play the long game. Real talk, the first time I watched the market crash, I panicked. I told myself I'd wait until things felt safe again. You know what happened? By the time I finally felt comfortable, prices had already bounced back. Lesson learned: fear shows up when prices are low. Confidence shows up after you've already missed the deal. So next time you hear stock market crash, don't just ask how far it's falling. Ask yourself, what opportunity's hiding in here? If this helped, hit subscribe for more no-nonsense finance content. And let me know in the comments, would you buy during a crash, or would you wait it out?